Ma'am, we wish you all the best, and I'm sure a lot of people here are going to come forward to extend their support. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we move to our first set of awards, and I would once again request you, ma'am, to kindly be here on the stage, because as I say, that awards become more prestigious and more important by the hands of whom they are given. And I think everyone present here is actually wanting to have a picture with you and to take the award from you. Now, the first set of awards, here we are going to be talking, we have institutes which are dedicated to technology, to management. And as ma'am also said, that today the real power is not money. It's not money in the hands of few, but it's actually information technology in the hands of many people. This is what these institutes are promising. So the Times Excellence now recognizes all these institutes who have done a very, very commendable job in the field of education. And let me also tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that these awards are in no particular order of priority. They are in random order. And I would request, as I announce the names, to the awardees to kindly come here on the stage. The first award, the Best Engineering College in Uttar Pradesh. And the award goes to Galgotia College of Engineering and Technology. May I request the chairman, Mr. Sunil Galgotia, to kindly come here and take the award. Congratulations to you. Amongst management institutes in Delhi and NCR goes to Accurate Institute of Management and Technology. May I request the group director, Ms. Poonam Sharma, to kindly come here and to take her award. Cover only a few because of paucity of time. So the Best Private University in Maharashtra, and the award goes to International Institute of Information Technology, Pune, Maharashtra. The award goes to Mrs. Aruna Mukesh, who is the President and the Dean, but on behalf of her, the award will be collected by Mr. Naresh Kumar. Mr. Naresh Kumar, who is a board member. Moving on from Maharashtra to Punjab, the best private university in Punjab, and that is Thapar University, Patiala, Punjab. Dr. K.K. Raina, Deputy Director, Dean of Faculty Affairs, here with us. The best private university in Uttar Pradesh, and that is Sharda University. May I request Mr. Bhaskar Bhattacharya, the Dean of the University, Dr. Avis Ahmed, the Registrar at the School of Engineering and Technology, to kindly come and take the award. Is the best engineering college in Punjab, and that is Shaheed Udham Singh College of Engineering and Technology, Mohali, Punjab. Zakira, the director, and Mr. H.P.S. Sidhu, the principal. Many congratulations to you, sir. The next award, the Best Management Institute in Punjab, and that is Gyan Jyoti Institute of Management and Technology, once again, Mohali, Punjab. We have Mr. Jaswant Singh Bedi, the chairman of the institute, and his wife. Punjab, we move on to Haryana, the best engineering college in Haryana, and that is Haryana College of Technology and Management, Kaithal, Haryana. May I request Mr. G.K. Sethi, the Managing Director of the Institute. Delhi is definitely growing in size, and we have now Noida and Greater Noida all, and Gurgaon coming up and part of the NCR. So we have the best engineering college in Delhi and NCR, that is ABIS Engineering College. May I request Professor Surendra Kumar Kansal, the director, Professor R.G. Mendirata, Director Academics, Professor P.N. Kaul, the Director Career Planning and Development. They are here to receive the award. The next award, the Best Management College in Ghaziabad, and that is Jaipuria Institute of Management. May I request Major General Dr. Madan Lal Madan, the Director General of the Institute,